Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Now look at what we are given. We are given that x to the power of what 5 multiplied by x to the power of 9 is equals to what 17. We are asked to look for the value of x. Our first step, what we are going to do is to take the natural logarithm of both sides. So that means ln x to the power of what 5 multiplied by what x to the power of what 9 is equals to what ln 17, because we are taking the natural logarithm of both sides. Remember one of these properties of logarithm that state that if you have log m to the power of what p base a is equals to the power here will multiply the log to become what p multiplied by log m base a, right? Now this is one of the properties of what logarithm, and this will help us here because the power here is what is 5x to the power of what 9. So we can take it back to the natural logarithm, which is what ln. As you can see what happened here. So that this is what 5, okay, multiplied by x to the power of what 9, right? Then ln x equals to ln 17. Okay, wow, this is amazing, right? Now let's remove this 5 from here. Okay, let's remove this 5 from here. So if I want to remove this 5 from here, we have to divide both sides by 5. So if we divide both sides by 5, you all agree that this will cancel out this. We are left with what x to the power of what 9 multiplied by ln x is equals to what ln 17 divided by what 5. Alright, now at this point, what are we going to do? Let me also draw your mind to one of the properties of logarithm, that e to the power of ln a is equals to what a. This is one of the properties of what logarithm, and it also helps us a lot in this question. At this point, we are not wrong if we decide to write this as e to the power of what ln x to the power of what 9 is the same thing as equals to, this is 9. Take note, this is 9. The same thing equals to what x to the power of what 9, right? By obeying these properties, right? And also this can also be seen as what e to the power of what 9 multiplied by ln x is equals to what x to the power of what 9. It's the same thing. There's nothing changed, because here it can also bring this 9 to multiply the ln because we are obeying these properties of logarithm. So we are not wrong if we decide to write this as e to the power of what ln x to the power of what 9 multiplied by ln x equals to ln 17 divided by what 5. Wow, this is amazing. Now this 9 can also go back to multiply the ln. So this is what e to the power of what 9 ln x multiplied by ln x equals to ln 17 divided by what 5. Now also remember, by definition of Lambda-W function, we know that the Lambda-W function of into a multiplied by e to a is equals to what a. This is one of the properties of what Lambda-W function. Okay, now remember this is the product of what logarithm. If you're hearing about Lambda-W function, is the what product of what logarithm. Now this is truth. Now if this is truth and we're looking for x, the only way we can solve this question is by applying the Lambda-W function here. But can we apply it now? No, because here as the exponent here we're having 9 ln x, and if here is a, we're having here as a. So if here the exponent here is 9 ln s, what is here is just ln s. So to make this work in obeying this formula, these properties, we have to multiply both sides by 9 so that this can also have 9 as here also have 9. So you can apply, so this thing can work successfully. So if you multiply both sides by 9, what to have, this is e to the power what e to the power 9 ln x, okay, multiplied by 9 ln x, because we multiply both sides by 9 equals what 9 ln 17 divided by what 5. Wow, this is amazing. Now let me remove this from here so that I can have space. Okay, so let me remove this from here quickly. All right, Now at this point, we can take the lambda W function of both sides. So what that is that the W function is the W function of e multiplied by what? E raised to the power of 9 ln x multiplied by 9 ln x, okay, is equals to what? Is equals to the lambda W function of into 9 ln what? 9 ln 17 divided by what? 5, okay. All right. Now what I'm going to do, let's know the value of 9 ln 17 divided by 5, right? Let's know the value, sir. So the lambda W function of this will give us, by obeying this, we are that this is 9 ln x, right, equals to the W function of what? Now let's know, let me use my calculator to know the value of, apart from the W function, let's know the value of 9 ln what? Ln 9 ln 17 give us 25.4989 at 4 decimal places. So let's divide that answer by 5. We have what? 5.0998 at 4 decimal places, right? Now take note that 9 ln 17 divided by 5 give us this. So if we divide both sides, because we're looking for x, right? If we divide here by 9 and divide the whole of this by 9, right? Now this will cancel out this. So we are left with ln x equals what? Now remember that it is not all calculators that have this operation, because we have to know the W function of this value divided by 9. So since there is no calculator that have this value, I've already go to a site to know the value of the W function of this. So the W function of this will give us 1 point, okay, 1.33, okay, then 8.1 divided by what? 9. Take note that it's not all calculators that have this operation, this lambda. It's not all calculators that have that, okay. So if you check the lambda W function of this value, you have this. So if you divide it, let's divide this value by 9. 1.33801 divided by 9, we have what? We have ln x, okay, is equals to 0.1486 at what? 4 decimal places, right? Is it 4 decimal, 5 decimal places? Let me put that 4 decimal places. So I'll have here 7. So as 4 decimal places. Remember, we are looking for the value of x. So I'm not also wrong if I decide to write this as e to the power of what? Ln x equals to e to the power of 0.14787, right? Because since the bases are the same, I can equate the powers and we'll have exactly what is here. Now remember that, recall that e to the power of ln a is equals to what? A. So it means that e to the power of ln s will just give us what? X, right? Equals to what? E to the power what? 0.14887, right? Now the value of this in what? 3 decimal place will give us our x is equals to 11610, and this is the correct answer to this particular problem. Substitute the value of x here, we have approximate what? 17, and this is a beautiful solution to this particular question. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it interesting, don't hesitate. You want to like, comment, and share it to loved ones so others will learn from it. And again, if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so anytime other exciting videos you'll notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you.